Hello everyone, welcome to Little Beauty Mantra. This is Aisha and today we are going to talk on the topic cracks. Cracks over your faces, over your hands, over your body, over your legs in this so-called winter. So let's begin with the video, but make sure you give it a like and give it a share. And yes, subscribe the channel. The list of culprits that can cause dry skin is a long one, from daily bathing habits, taking hot showers and scrubbing yourself dry with a towel and winter, to a lack of natural oils in your skin as you age. The good news is that you don't necessarily need to visit a dermatologist to heal your dry skin. Instead, consider adding a natural remedy to your skincare routine at home. In fact, the ingredients for these dry skin remedies might already be in your kitchen. Give the countless skin products available a natural remedy may be worth trying. Natural oils and remedies tend to be pure. Other over-the-counter products can have a ton of ingredients in them. They not only contain the active moisturizing products, but they also have preservatives. That's often the case for water-based products. These, along with products that contain alcohol and fragrances, can cause irritation or an allergic reaction or dry out your skin. It's often a good idea to keep it simple when it comes to beauty care, especially for people with allergies or a very sensitive complexion. Unlike water-based lotions and cream or those containing preservatives, pure oils have a natural base, making them great dry skin remedy. Your skin naturally produces oil called sebum, which help protect the skin from moisture loss. But everyday action such as forgetting putting on moisturizer or washing your hands with a dry soap can strip or natural oil from your skin. For people without acne, which the American Academy of Dermatologists notes involve overproducing of sebum and for whom extra oil would provide the opposition of the desired effects. Using oils can help restore skin sheen and protective moisturizers barriers. If you do have acne-prone skin, there is some evidence to support the idea that tea tree oil may improve mild to moderate acne, including a previously published double-blind randomized. There are many ways to reap the moisturizing benefits of oils. Either on the other, one own who with the another ingredients to make a DIY nourishing mask or any exfoliating rub. Castor oil, lavender oil and avocado oil may be good natural remedies for dry skins. Again, so long as you do have acne-prone skin, coconut oil and another oil you may have in your kitchen cabinet and may also be a good choice for those not prone to acne. People with atopic dermatitis, a type of enzyme and allergic skin conditions characterized by dryness and itching, saw excellent results when they used virgin coconut oil on their skins. According to one randomized controlled double-blind clinical trial. We'll talk about DIY remedies to moisturize dry skin. A simple way to use your favorite oil in the purest form is to drizzle it into warm bath water. You can also try these natural remedies. Wipe up an olive oil cleanser to smooth dry skin. A great natural oil to use in olive oil which work as natural cleanser and moisturizer. Then wipe away the excess oil. Olive oil is good choice as a cleanser because it won't strip your skin, natural oil, but it will clean your skin. DIY a rich cream avocado mask. Creating a homemade mask of avocado is another natural way to smoothen dry skin. Exfoliate and moisturize your skin using oats. Combine half cup of hot water with 1/3 cup of oatmeal in a bowl. Let the mixture sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of honey. Smooth the mask onto your face, then let it sit for about 15 minutes. Before you rinse this mask off, put the strainer in your skin to catch all the oats and prevent a clog. For extra exfoliation scrub the oatmeal mask on your skin for about 30 seconds before letting it sit. Leave your skin feeling healthy and moisturized. Peel a banana and cut it in half. Then mash one half with a fork. Spread the mashed banana all over your face and down your neck. Then let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. If the mask is too thick, you can mix in 1 tablespoon of milk to thin it out a bit. Use this mask to rejuvenate and refresh your skin. Combine 1/4 cup of fat-free Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of raw honey and canned pumpkin and 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Mix the ingredients up until they are smooth. Then spread this mask all over your face. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Pumpkin does have a tendency to stain carpet and clothing, so do this in the bathroom or over the sink to avoid potential disasters. Taking the mask off your skin, use a microfiber cloth to scrub it off. Moisturize your skin with refreshing and easy egg mask. Grab an egg and separate the yolk, then throw the egg white away. Beat the yolk and add in a dash of cinnamon, then spread the mixture all over your face. Let it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Egg whites are great for oily skin but aren't so good for dry skin. Stick to using the yolk only for a hydrating mask. To make your mask a little creamier, add in a few drops of honey. But all these are healing for your skin. But the real heal for your soul is trusting in yourself. So keep trusting in yourself that you are beautiful. Stay safe, keep smiling and shining. Love from my team. Thank you.